If you can't build these three programs, you are not ready to take a real programming project. And by the real apps, I mean client apps, production software, and anything that users actually depends on. Project number 1, registration system. It's a project where user enters the data, you validate everything, and you handle bad inputs gracefully. The program should never crash on the user mistakes. What abilities this project proves? Defensive programming, handling the edge cases, thinking like the software used by the real people. Project number 2, basic task manager. It's a project where data is saved, program closes, and you still have the data when you open the program. It doesn't matter how you do it with the file, with the JSON, or with the database which is more advanced. What matters here is being able to save data, read the data, change the data, and delete the data whenever you want. Or in a single word, CRUD. Build a simple CRUD app. Project number 3, order system. It's a project where it's a small and connected system, has multiple features like you can order a product multiple times, share data and clear structure. Different classes and functions working together. Doesn't need to be very big, but it should work. You will learn system thinking and code organization, and understanding how parts interact with each other. By making this project, you can prove that you can make something that doesn't fall apart. I hope you enjoyed this video, and by the way, I have a Discord server which is a friendly community for programmers. You can get it through the link below in the description. Let me know what you think and ask me any question that you have in the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.